Welcome back. Now we want to look at how you do an advanced search using SatCat.com. Earlier, we looked at how to use the smart search to find an object or two, but now we want to look at the catalog as a whole and filter out objects and get statistics on those objects. So we can open up the advanced search here. We have lots of options, lots of different filters to use. Let's actually type in Starlink here. Oops, sorry, Starlink. And let's see how many on-orbit payloads are currently in Earth orbit. So let's start this advanced search. And almost immediately we get that there are 6,000 results that satisfy the filters we put in. So SpaceX is currently managing roughly 6,000 Starlink assets. That's a lot of assets. But payloads aren't the only thing that exist in the space environment. We also have debris. And one of the most famous cases is Iridium-33 and Cosmos 2251. If you don't know, in 2009, these two satellites had a T-bone collision and created lots of pieces of debris. And so let's actually look up how much debris was created from that event. Tracked debris, of course, small pieces we can't necessarily track. And we end up seeing that there were, as a result of a single collision, 2,370 pieces of debris that we could track from that event, which is quite a lot from a single event. Now, we can also see orbit status. Some of it's decayed, some of it's still on orbit. So let's filter to see how much of it is still on orbit today. And we can see, okay, so from 2,300 down to 100 or 1,100 is roughly half, a little less than half is still in orbit. And from 2009 to when I'm recording this in 2024, it's been 15 years. These 1,000 pieces are most likely in higher altitudes. So we can actually come over here and we can say, well, how much is above 600 kilometers altitude? And we can see actually quite a lot. As you go up in altitude, there's less drag force on these objects. And so if we increase by another 100 kilometers, we can see there's still 400 results that are not really interacting with very much atmosphere at all, meaning even though it's been 15 years, we don't expect these pieces to come down and decay within the next 15 years. So any type of event, any type of debris event is a very serious matter. And just for fun, this is how you can use the advanced search to find statistics like this.